Outlook for the week starting 15th May 2023. Let us look at what the market has in store for us in the next week and also a little further for the next 2-3 weeks. We are starting with Bank Nifty first. Bank Nifty is expected to give a small dip to 42,753 or something, and then again resume its onward journey. Target is 44,400 or so. Nifty seems to be again going to continue in its upward journey, which started from 6th April onwards. But before that, I think a small dip to 18,000 will come, and then it will go to 18,800 and beyond. Sensex, again same thing. I think a dip to around 58,000, around 60,800 or so, and then from there the journey will continue to something like 63,000 and above. Now let's look at Asian Paints. Asian Paints, there is an inside red candle you can see here, and expectation is that since the open and the close are both higher than yesterday's lower than the yesterday's close, so you can see that this red candle is the one which is worrying us. So this red candle will mean that another testing of 3053 will happen in the near future. Britannia seems like the targets are reached. Now let's we will have to revise our stop loss to 4,570, 580 kind of thing, and continue holding it. Cipla, you revise the stop loss to 907 and hold. If it touches 907, I think it's better to get out of the stock. Otherwise, you can continue holding. Eicher Motors has given a big up move, a good breakout on 12th May, and then this will take it to straight away to something like 3,780 or so, and more than that, around 3,800 or so. Nestle, a sudden dip is observed. I think the stop loss is 21638. If it touches that or closes below that, I think you can exit. Otherwise, keep holding. Grasim is in an up move. Revise your stop loss to 1719. HDFC has given a breakdown. You can see that. I think I'll remove this number. You can see here on 5th May it has given a breakdown. From there it has moved up, but that is because of the market conditions. But I think it has to touch sometime. It has to touch 2690 and then at least 2670 to resume its upward journey. Hero MotoCorp has been moving up. The targets are, the final target is 2828. Hindalco, you can go short if you want to, and the target is 397, and if that also crosses, then the low of this, that is 380. HUL is a breakout. HUL target is 2656. ITC is on the verge of a breakdown. You can see here 408, 412 is the level. If it breaches that, then it will come down straight to 365. So be a little cautious on ITC. L&T has already given a breakdown. Target is 2164 and then 2126. M&M is on an up move. This will go to 1293 in the near future, and then probably it will go to 1362 later on. Reliance went up very nicely, but suddenly there was a dip on 12th May. The stop loss is 2406. If it doesn't touch that, then you can keep on continuing to hold this. I am expecting 2700 on this stock. Tata Consumer looks like a dream run, and I think this is expected to go to 800, 820, etc. Tata Motors also is expected to keep moving up. In the next 3 months, 6 months probably, you can see 800 levels. But first thing is, it has to cross this hurdle of 533, which is a very crucial hurdle. Tata Steel showed a lot of promise on 2nd May, but then it did not keep up with that promise. I think it's time to sell it off, because you can expect 104 on Tata Steel, and then from there you can expect around 103 or so. Wipro, lot of red candles. You can keep a stop loss of 378. Apollo Hospitals, the run is over. So if you're still holding, I think 4,480 is the stop loss. Dr. Reddy's has already given a sell signal. If you want to short, you can do it. 4,300 is the target. Titan has already reached its target, but it's a very nice rounded bottom kind of a thing. Very nice one. If it crosses this level of 2775 or so, I think this high of 2790, I think more fireworks are expected on Titan. But as of now, it is for a very short term, it is highly overbought, so expect a small dip there. SBI has given a very good up move from 543 levels on 17th April to 578 level. If it breaches this this candle there, if it breaches this top of this candle of 595, you can expect around 630. BPCL, all the gains are being given up. Stop loss is 355. Kotak Bank gave a great run from 6th April onwards. Now all targets are reached. So if you are holding, you keep holding, and revise your stop loss to a tight stop loss to something like 1944. And if you are ready to continue more, then I think a wider stop loss to 1917. UPL has already given a sell signal on 8th May. From there, it has kept going down. So, where will it go? It will go to first target 663 and next target 600 rupees. Infosys had some bad news, and then you can see what happened to Infosys, but it's consolidating at these levels. So during this consolidation, I think you can accumulate this and hope for a breakout. Once the breakout happens, you can expect 1600 rupees on Infosys. Bajaj Finance has done extremely well. Next, it has exceeded all targets, so we can look at new targets of new high target of around 7470 or so. Adani will keep moving in this range for some time. If it breaks out, then it will go to the original highs. Sun Pharma, there is no trade. JSW is on the verge of the breakdown, and if it breaks down, target is 657 or so. Now breakdown level is 693. If it goes below closes below 693, you can go short. HDFC Bank has already is in a very bad sideways move. No trade. TCS gave a breakout on 9th May, but from then onwards you have 3 red candles. The first target was achieved and then lost steam, but let's hope that it will catch up steam from now onwards. If it catches up steam, then next target is 3400 and then to 3520 or so. ICICI Bank, at least this time I believe it will become a 1000 rupee bank. Now immediate target is 957. Power Grid gave up all the gains that it had given in the last 4 days. In one day, the large candle has given up, and you can revise your stop loss to 235. Maruti is 700 rupees away from its dream 10,000 rupee stock. You can see the highest it went to was 9,769. Again, we can see I think I'm expecting once more that Maruti will go to an all-time high, at least touch the all-time high this time again. IndusInd Bank, targets reached, but next target is 1250. Axis Bank showed a lot of promise to become a 1000 rupee stock. It went all the way up to 961 and came back 960, 70, and it came back. This time I think it will touch at least 935, and then let's keep our fingers crossed and see whether it becomes a 1000 rupee bank. HCL Tech, as of now there is no trade. ONGC has been moving up continuously right from the day it gave a buy signal on 16th February onwards, and now I think it's only time to revise your stop losses, revise it to 163 and keep holding it. NTPC, there is no trade, it is completely sideways. Coal India seems to have given up all the gains. It gave a buy signal on 5th April. From there it has been moving up. Revise your stop loss to 232 or so and hold. Bharti Airtel gave a buy signal very strong on 28th April, but from there it has not moved up. Once it starts moving up, I think first target is 815 and then next target would be 826. Finally it would go to 850 or so. Tech Mahindra, no trade. Divi's Lab is on the verge of the breakdown. The breakdown level is 3183. If it breaks down from there, 3183, you can expect it to go to 2948. Adani Ports is going to move sideways for some time until the air is cleared about Adani's. HDFC Life is a completely long-term stock. Keep invested. You will make huge amount of money, but not now. In 15 years, 20 years time. SBI Life also same case. Very long-term stock. Very good long-term investment. Ultratech has given a buy signal, but no difference. There's a big red candle which has come after that buy signal, so I don't expect any fireworks there. You can revise. If you have bought, then the stop loss is 7638. Bajaj Auto has been going up right from this day, that is 3rd April onwards, and expected to keep moving in the same direction for some time now. Bajaj Finserv target is reached, but now you can get new targets. The new target would be something like 1560 or something like that. Well, we come to the end of this week's edition of Market Outlook. Please like the video, please share the video, and please write on your comments what else would you like to see in these videos. Thank you very much.